In a world full of sleek productivity apps promising to organize our lives, many of us are quietly realizing something simple: we're paying monthly for tools that a stack of paper notebooks can handle better, and for a fraction of the cost. Check the link in the description to see a new website featuring a set of 4 paper notebooks, perfect as offline replacements for popular web apps. We asked Notebook LM to describe this collection, which covers structured weekly planning, flexible daily hourly journaling and planning, easy handwritten notes, and a modular index card notebook. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Things first, you gotta get a handle on your time. And the foundation for that is the weekly planner. This thing is your new command center. Instead of some complex AI trying to guess your priorities, this gives you a crystal clear view of your entire week. You can intentionally block out time for deep work, for meetings, for your personal life, all without ever opening a new tab or getting a single distracting notification. It's all about taking back control.
Now, what about managing all those ideas? For that, we're going to think smaller, more modular. Meet the Index Card Notebook.
Look, if you've ever felt totally overwhelmed by those complicated link thinking apps, this is the antidote. The rule is just so simple: 1 idea per card. That's it. This forces you to be clear, and it lets you physically sort and connect your thoughts without getting lost in some digital web of tags and backlinks.
But what about all those quick, fleeting thoughts? You know, the messy brain dumps? Well, that's where a simple handwritten notebook comes in.
This completely replaces those note-taking apps that try to sell you on an expensive stylus or a cloud subscription. This is the perfect spot for those brain dumps, those messy sketches, and all your unfiltered ideas. It's fast, it's tactile, and there's zero digital friction. And to build that consistency for the long haul, we've got one final piece to the puzzle: the Year Folio. You can think of this as your replacement for all those premium daily planning apps. It's a super simple, undated logbook that turns daily planning into a habit that you can actually stick with, no subscription required. Plus, you get to build this amazing physical archive of your progress over the years. So let's just put it all together. For every major type of productivity app, there is a simple and really effective analog replacement, and the main benefit is almost always the same: fewer distractions and a much more direct, focused way to engage with your own ideas.
Please check the description for the link to the website, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. True productivity starts with paper and pen.